Hey guys, today we're going to be talking about triangle basics, and we're going to be starting with triangle existence. Alright, so the triangle inequality theorem is that a plus b must be greater than c, b plus c must be greater than a, or a plus c must be greater than b. A shortcut for that is the two smaller sides' sum must be greater than the biggest side. Alright, so let's do some examples. Is it possible to draw a triangle with the following sides? So remember, we have to add our two smaller sides to be bigger than our biggest side. So our two smaller sides are 12 and 11. We need to add those up and see if they are greater than 17, which is our biggest side. So 12 plus 11 is greater than 17 is our little equation. 12 plus 11 is 23. Is 23 greater than 17? Yes, it is. So our answer would be yes, they can make a triangle. Alright, so for the second one, 24, 31, and 55. 24 and 31 are lower sides, so we have to add those together and see if they are greater than 55. 24 plus 31 is 55. Is 55 greater than 55? No, it is not. So that is our answer. Alright, now do the rest of these problems on your own and come back when you have an answer. So for number 3, you should have gotten yes, because 1.7 and 2.3 is greater than 3.1. For number 4, you should have gotten no, because 7 plus 4 is not greater than 12. For number 5, you should have gotten yes. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 is greater than 1. And for number 6, you should have gotten yes as well, because 12 and 15 are greater than 20. Alright, that's all great, but how do I find my third possible side? Well, there are two steps. First, you need to subtract two numbers to get the lower bound, and then you need to add two numbers to get your upper bound. So in the end, it should look like this. You're going to have your number that you subtracted for, which is less than x, which is in between, and then less than the number that you added to get. Alright, let's do some practice. Determine the possible range for the third side of a triangle given the other two sides. So our two sides that we have is 4 and 7, and we're trying to see where the third side's range is. So we need to subtract and we need to add. So 7 minus 4 is 3. So that'll be our first value. That'll be our lower bound, which is less than x, which is less than our upper bound, which is 4 plus 7, which is 11. So our upper bound would be 11. So this means that x, which is our third side, is anywhere from between 3 and 11. It can be 10.999999 and so on. But it cannot be 11 or 3. So let's erase this, and then we'll move on to number 2. So number 2, we have 11 and 14, so we're going to do 14 minus 11 to equal our lower bound, which is 3, and 14 plus 11 to equal our upper bound, which is 25. So that is our answer. Do the next two on your own and then come back when you have your own answers and check. For number 3, you should have gotten 4 is less than x, which is less than 10. And for number 4, you should have gotten 3.2, x, and 23.4. Alright, let's do some practice. Do it on your own and then come back. Can a triangle be formed? So we have our 3 side lengths. We know we need to take the 2 smaller sides and set them greater than the biggest side. 9 plus 8 is greater than 17. 9 plus 8 is 17. 17 is not greater than 17, so our answer would be no. Alright, let's do another one. Again, do this on your own and then come back when you have your answer. Can a triangle be formed? 12 inches, 4 inches, and 15 inches. We know 12 and 4 are two smaller sides, so we'll set that to be greater than 15. 12 plus 4 is greater than 15. 12 plus 4 is 16, which is greater than 15, so yes. Alright, what is the possible range for the third side? Again, do this on your own and come back when you have an answer to check. So we know we have to subtract, so 19 minus 4 is 15, and we also have to add 19 plus 4 is 23. So our answer would be 15 less than symbol x less than symbol 23. Alright, circle all possible side lengths for the third side of a triangle with 7 inches and 5 inches for the other two side lengths. Alright, so we know we have to make our range again. So 7 minus 5 is 2, and 7 plus 5 is 12. So our third side length is anywhere from 12 and 2. So now we just need to see if these values fit. Does 8 fit in between 12 and 2? It does, so we're going to circle 8. Does 2 fit with 2 and 12? It does not. It is 2, so it can't be in the middle, so we'll leave that. Does 3 fit with 12 and 2? It does, so we'll circle that. Does 14 fit in between 2 and 12? It does not, so we'll leave it. Does 5 fit in between 2 and 12? It does. It can go right in the middle, so we'll circle it. Does 12 fit? No, because 12 is right there. It can't be in the middle, so you'll leave it. Does 11 fit? Yes, 11 fits. And does 13 fit? No, it doesn't. Alright guys, that is it for this video. This was Triangle Existence. Thanks for watching, and as always, I'll catch you later. Bye!